In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use SoundCloud in WordPress. If you want to embed a track or playlist into your site, this guide will make it simple and quick. First, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. Click the login button at the top right. The fastest way is continue with Google, so you don't have to remember another password. Select your account, and you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Next, on the right panel, under Quick Links, click Edit Site. This opens the editor where all the customization happens. Now, look at the top left corner and click the Add button. In the search bar, type SoundCloud. Click the SoundCloud embed block that appears. Paste the URL of your track or playlist into the block, press Enter, and WordPress will embed it directly on your page. Your visitors can now listen to your audio content seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully added SoundCloud to your WordPress site.